Security is one of the main features of the Pi server, and when it comes to manual logger, we have ensured that it also provides all of the security features and requirements necessary to ensure that only users with the proper access can read and write data to the Pi server. In order to allow manual logger to connect to the Pi server, we can establish a trust to ensure that security is maintained. We can establish this trust using the System Manager tools and creating a new trust. SMT provides a plugin to create trust so that applications can log in to the server and communicate in a secure way. In order to create a new trust in SMT, we can follow the steps provided by the wizard, or we can use the advanced feature and fill in the required information in the dialog window. Let me demonstrate how this is done. I'm running a Windows Server 2003. To simplify the demonstration, I have been running manual logger in the same machine where the server is installed. So I'm going to open the System Management tools to create a new trust for manual logger. In the lower left pane, we have the System Management plugins. We can expand the security option and go to trusts. In here we can create new trusts by right-clicking in the pane and selecting the new trust option, which will take us through the wizard. In this case, I'm going to create a trust whose name is PyML, and I'm going to describe it as trust for PyML. Click next. This is an application for a Windows NT based operating system. The name of the application is going to be PyML Windows. The domain in my case is virtuallabs.com, and the username, the Windows username that I will be using in my case is administrator. I can click next. If desired, I can enter the network path to the machine and the location where manual logger is installed, also the IP address and net mask of the machine where manual logger is installed. The Pi user under which manual logger will be accessing the server is PyAdmin, so I can click finish and I can see my trust that has been created in the Pi server. I can always edit this trust by highlighting, right-clicking, and going to Properties. I can change any of these features in here, any of the options, and I can always delete the trust by highlighting the trust and clicking on Delete Trust.